I decided to do some late night shopping at Burlington, so here we are. I'm looking for some sneakers, but you know, while I'm in there, I'm going to look at so many other things. So let's go inside and see what we can find. One of my favorite things to buy are jackets, all kinds of jackets. So I was definitely drawn to this one. This is by Big Chill. It's $16.99 and it's more of a rain jacket. Absolutely loved it. It's very similar to the like a sage green one that I bought last year from Walmart when it was on clearance. If you haven't seen that video, and I know it's last year, if you're interested in watching it, I'll go ahead and link it down below. But again, this is from Big Chill and it was $16.99. Now this bomber jacket is by Steve Madden. It's beautiful. It's a dusty rose color and it has that soft satiny feel to it, and the inside is actually quilted, so it's perfect for winter. This one again is by Steve Madden and it's $44.99. What do you think of this Guess t-shirt? It's got this beautiful shimmery design on it and the word Guess is actually embroidered. So I thought $14.99 was a pretty good price. I finally made it over to the shoe department and there was quite a bit to look at. So let's go ahead and start with some flats. I found these by Harbor Sides. They have this cute little cutout design. These actually have memory foam inside and these were only $14.99. Now these were one of my favorites. These are by Tommy Hilfiger. They're $29.99. I didn't find my size, but I loved the style of this shoe. Look at these really cute floral print tennis shoes. They're actually by a brand called Charlie's, and I didn't know much about them, so I found them online on Amazon. The exact same ones for $50, and in Burlington, they're $19.99. Now, I love these slides. I love the gold glimmery look to them, and they are on clearance for $14.99. Now here is another pair of Tommy Hilfigers, which I absolutely love. I love the stitching around the lettering. I just really liked that design. Now this is actually a print, so it's not embroidered. So this one has a bit of a higher quality look to it. And these ones are going for $27.99. And I did find a couple of sandals, like these little strappy ones with the rhinestones on them. This one was going for $14.99. And then I found these. These are by Soda. This is a size 4, so I'm thinking this is more of a children's shoe, but I did think it was a really cute style. And the wideband has more of a denim feel to it. So again, I thought they were really cute, and these were only $14.99. I walked over to the handbags and I happened to see this Guess fanny pack. Now it is only going for $24.99. Now this fabric is kind of hard, so I'm not really sure what it is called. But here is another one. This is by Kendall and Kylie, and it does have this really pretty gold chain on it. This one is retailing for $50 and Burlington has it here for $9.09. Now, I love this backpack. It was so nice. The fabric on here was so soft, but it's vegan leather. So I thought it was really nice. And I love the extra pockets in the front and off to the side. Now, here is another backpack. This is really nice. This one's by Rossetti. This one is going for $19.99. And I think my favorite feature of this one was the embroidery in the front. And I just thought it added a nice little touch. Here we have a Steve Madden mini backpack. And it comes with a little coin purse. Now this one was going for $29.99, and I always like looking at the retail price. This one was originally $88. I found some clearance racks. There were some, I guess, sale items in with the red tag items, so I'm just going to show you a few of the pieces that I found. Like this one is $13.99. It's a 2-piece sweater set. So the skirt is the sweater knit fabric along with the sweater itself. And I'll bring it up close so you can see it has a gold shimmer in it. And again, this one was going for $13.99. Okay, so now look at this black denim dress. If you look at the little rhinestones, they almost look iridescent. Very pretty. It does come with little black adjustable spaghetti straps. And I'm going to pull it out so that you can see the back. It's an open back, and here you see the skirt part of it. And this one was going for $13.99. Now this red dress did not have a red sticker on it, but it was only $6.99. Let me hang it up so that you can see it a little better. This was actually lined from top to bottom. Absolutely beautiful. It would have been great for the holidays. And again, this one was $6.99. You are not going to believe the price on this skirt. It's absolutely beautiful, great quality. It's by New York Clothing Company, and I love that gold chain. This skirt was only $8.19. Now, I did run into some totes. These would have been perfect for my New York trip. This tote actually matches the fanny pack that I just showed you with the blue. This one is going for $42.99. And here is something very similar to it. It doesn't have the leather straps in the front. But again, this is by Guess. So was that blue one. I wish I could tell you exactly what that was. But that's $39.99. And this one, by far, was my favorite. This is Tommy Hilfiger. Let me pull this bag out. I regret not buying it, but this is stunning. I love the colors. The zipper on the top. This was only $34.99. And the retail was $128. Now, I did jump back over to the clothes. Look at this. This is only $16.99, but the attention to detail on this is incredible. So it's a little white coat. It's a linen, if I remember correctly. And look at the stitching. It's just so pretty, and it goes all along the back. So I turned it around so that you can see what it looks like. Now, here's another linen shirt. This one was only going for $12.99. And I will show you what this looks like. I'll back the camera up just a little. And it has like this French lace down at the bottom. That's so pretty. And let me pull it off the rack, and I'll turn it around so that you can see it a little better. Now, I did end up walking over to the ladies' sportswear. Now, I don't know if they were moving items, but as you can see, there was hardly anything on these racks. But I did run into a few sweatshirts, so let me show you what I've got here. Here we've got this pink Champion. Here's a Tommy Hilfiger. This one's a really nice sweatshirt. Here's one from Puma. And that's actually printed, like a print design. That one was going for $24.99. And here's an Adidas one. I really enjoy the Henley style zipper, like the half zip. That's one of my favorite designs. And this was a great quality. This one was for $24.99. Let me show you a few more. Here's one from Adidas. This jacket from Adidas was actually in with the sweatshirts, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway. Now here's an actual Adidas hoodie. And let me show you what this one's going for. This is going for $24.99. Now here's a Calvin Klein one. I hadn't seen too many Calvin Klein items. And the inside was that super soft fleece fabric. And that actually has the kangaroo pockets. And this retailed for $59. Now it's going for $24.99. And here's a DKNY. This is a zip-up hoodie. Now bring it up close so you can see the embellishments on here. I love the back on that. So pretty. And I do want to remind you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. Now, this is perfect timing with that New York sweatshirt. Now, I did walk over and wanted to show you the leggings, but quite honestly, they did not have very much to look at. I ended up wandering through the makeup area, but I was making my way back to the shoes. And I will show you these beautiful Guess court shoes. Loved them. Again, were not my size. I wasn't really having much luck. But these shoes were going for $27.99. Love the gold. It's so pretty. I normally have good luck finding shoes at Burlington, but today I wasn't finding my size. But that's okay. I kept looking. I did find these little sandals. These are by Jelly Pop. And I'll bring them up close so that you can see some of the details on them. And these were only $14.99. And I'm going to show you a couple more shoes, but I am going to be ending this video. It is getting really late and I've got to get out of the store before they close. So anyway, I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of tennis shoes you like. I don't know if you've caught on, but I love that court style tennis shoe. And I will show you one more pair that I absolutely love. These are by Guess. And I love that quilted and gold design on it. It's just one of my favorite color combinations. But anyway, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you'll be notified. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Actually, if you stay till the end, I will definitely show you which were my favorite top 3 items for today's video. Anyway, you guys, thank you again. Make sure you leave me some comments. Let me know some of the things that you'd like to see or even what stores, if they're available in Reno, then I'd be happy to go check them out for you. Anyway, you guys, thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.